Okay, this is Kayla. We are going to fix her hiccups.
Oh boy.
All we need is a cup of water.
And a paper towel.
Paper towel.
And an elastic.
And a rubber band. Hold this for Daddy. And watch me. Watch me. Elastic band. You put it on like this with the rubber band covering it. And then you drink. Keep drinking. How's it coming?
Good. And you have to drink the whole cup of water.
Almost done?
Mm-hmm.
That's Brutus. Get out of there. Okay. Now, we sit and wait. No more water. Keep your mouth open so that everyone can see you not hiccup. And look, no more hiccups.
Is that alive? Is that alive?
No, it's not on live. It's going to be on YouTube.
Cool.
And then you just take your rubber band and put it back in your rubber band jar.
Throw your paper towel away.
Put the cup in the sink, and you're good to go. And that is how you get rid of hiccups.